Hi, my name's Greg and I'm a partner here at Renewed Vision. And today, we're not going to talk to you about a new feature, but we are going to talk to you about an essential feature, and that is stability in the software. Like so many of you, we spend every week volunteering at our churches, so we know the value of having software that does what you want it to do and when you want it to do it. And we also know those stressful moments where the software doesn't do exactly what you want it to do, exactly when you want it to do it. So we are one of you. We know what it's like to sit in that seat. Since the launch of ProPresenter 7, and thanks to your investment in ProPresenter Plus, we have been able to quadruple the size of our QA team. This ensures that we're putting out software that is well tested. We have built out a whole testing room here in the office that allows us in real time to recreate your setup and ensure that we're testing things that you report to us, how you report them to us. We've invested in software platforms that give us real-time visibility into the issues that our users are having and allow us to deploy resources in real time to solve those problems. And lastly, we're putting the finishing touches on an all-new crash support dialog box that will tighten the feedback loop and allow you to get us the information that we need to solve the problems that you're seeing as fast as possible. And next, I want to talk to you about our support team. We have some phenomenal tech support agents here at Renewed Vision, and thanks to your investment in ProPresenter Plus, we have over doubled the size of that team since the launch of ProPresenter 7. What that means for you, first of all, West Coast people, we heard you, and we hired some West Coast agents, and that has allowed us to expand our hours and given you access to the help that you need when you need it. For those of you that reach out to us via online chat, our average response time is under 32 seconds, and over 70% of our chats are answered within a minute. We get hundreds of emails every single day, and our average email response time is under 15 minutes, and that includes Sunday mornings. So as you know, part of what you get with ProPresenter Plus is all the continued innovation in the ProPresenter platform, but part of what you get with ProPresenter Plus is also our world-class tech support. And we have made significant investments in that, and we're going to continue to do so to ensure that we're there for you when you need us. I also want to talk to you about our development team, the men and women who work every single day on ProPresenter. Since the launch of ProPresenter 7, and thanks to your continued investment in ProPresenter Plus, we have tripled the size of that team. That has allowed us to have the continued feature development that you know of. It has also allowed us to have a team that works exclusively on ensuring that we have stability in our software and the features work the way that you expect them to. So that's a lot of data, but in the midst of that data, I hope you hear our heart. And our heart is that we love the church and we love live production. And it's the marriage of those two loves that gave birth to Renewed Vision over 20 years ago. And in those 20 years, we've continued to serve on the production teams at our churches, so we know exactly what it is like to sit in that seat on a Sunday morning. And it's for that reason that we have made the investments that I've told you about today. So finally, from the bottom of our hearts, I want to say thank you for being a part of the Renewed Vision family. We don't take it lightly that you trust our products, and we're going to continue to do what we can do to deliver quality products to you so that you can tell the stories that change the world.